Hey, good morning. Today I'm going to attempt a project, but we have a thunderstorm blowing in, so I may or may not get to it. Right now we've got a spot in our awning. The stitching's dry rotting and it's starting to tear. I made a repair to it last year as best I could. Stitched it up with some waxed string, siliconed over it, and put Gorilla Tape on. But it is failing and it's just waiting to get torn right off in a wind. So what I bought, this is not a sponsored product. I purchased this myself. This is a Fonzier cloth awning rather than another vinyl one. The vinyl ones these days don't seem to last very long. Our trailer's had a mark in this spot since it was 2 years old. So for being a lot less expensive than a new vinyl awning and the reviews looking pretty good on it, I thought I'd give it a shot. The number one complaint was it wasn't completely waterproof. I'm not setting up an outdoor room or anything, never have, so that to me doesn't seem like a problem. The complaints were it leaked at the stitching, so I will just use the same sealants we used on our pop-ups when you had that exact same problem where it would leak at the stitching, if I find that I think it's a problem. So unboxing, just checking out what they sent us. This awning was only $88. It was on sale, US, so converting it to Canadian, paying the shipping, I paid about 129 Canadian for it. Far cheaper than the 400 for a new vinyl one. Packaging came nice. There was even some surprises in here. I only opened it enough to see what the cloth felt like. It's packaged nicely and it does feel like a nice heavy cloth. Instructions. It's got the neat little attachments that slide into your awning boom so that you can put lights and whatnot in there. And then what I wasn't expecting, I didn't see it in the ad, I heard this box rattling, and it's got the tie downs and the ground stakes for tying your awning down if you wanted to have it open when it was a little windier. I'll put this in the trailer, but I've never done that before. I just close it when it gets windy. Now, I've watched lots of YouTube videos, see if I can figure out how to do an awning. It doesn't look overly difficult, but as I do have a thunderstorm blowing in, I may not get it completed today. This may just be something I get started. I don't anticipate it being overly heavy. Okay, does it come out? No? Okay, let me see. Okay. Okay. Are you able to do it, or do you want to switch positions? Sure, you're holding it. It's a little heavier than, there you go. Now just let it wind down. Yep. Yep. All right. So I'm going to take the tube out of it next so it's a lot lighter, and then I'll slide it out of the upper. They did it in reverse on their video, but I don't see how it would make a difference. So I need to take some retaining screws out.
You here to help, Peanut? Yep. Hey, Peanut. Your dad's up on a ladder. Did you want to crawl over there and help him? show up on the black?
No.
As
Half of it's under the cap. It's just marked.
It already started sliding out, so I think I could just, maybe if you might have to hold the fabric a bit for me, but it wants to go. I don't know. Okay. There we go.
So far this project's gone fairly smoothly. Just got to get this one nut in properly, and this is something that Sam's pretty talented at, so I'm not too concerned about that. And then we'll slowly release the arms and see if it'll wind up. This is our new awning. Looks really good. Nice and light and bright. Wasn't too hard to change.
It was a far easier project than I thought.
Someday we'll have to get that video up that you did of putting those steps on, by the way.
The steps are so good. Leo torque lifted a couple of videos on the stairs. Alright, let's make sure it's dry.
Okay, hold up. I'm going to back up.
I can only see the part.
Okay, here we go. Seems like it's rolling. Just double checking now. It seems like it's going slightly to the left. Can you stop it or take a peek?
Yeah, that seems not bad, that where it's joined.
Okay.
We may have to run it in and out a couple of times.
Yeah, actually, it doesn't look too bad over there. You're right. Okay. bad.
Pretty even.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you see where it's rolled up on too. It's pretty much on top of itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little off here.
Probably nothing that detrimental or anything.
I can see they could be adjusted.
Ta-da. Looks good.